Hello viewers, I'm Danya Menon and today I'll be talking about how to apply for Bollywood through a Maya app. As soon as you open the Maya app, you will be able to see all the work related posts. You can apply according to your requirement and interest. Suppose you are interested in applying for some work opportunity or knowing about some work related details. In that case, you can click on that specific post and all the details would be available on your screen. For example, if I click on a post like this one, it shows the female actor requirement for a music album between the age group of 22 to 25. All other posts will have requirements like this one. Here, you can understand who has posted and when. Of course, there are times when you don't know who has posted, but Maya has clearly mentioned these details. Maya app has coding signals which help you to understand who has posted. For example, if casting directors post about work opportunities directly, they would be visible in blue. If some production houses directly post on the app without any commission, posts would be available in green. Sometimes production house directly send us posts that our team uploads on the app and these posts would be available in yellow. Now, you can see how these coding signals are available on our feed. Let's go back and see how to apply. You can see a WhatsApp icon from where you can click and apply, which will connect you to the production house number. This is quite important. When we click on this icon, a warning message is shown to us which says to be careful about scams and frauds. Don't send money to people in the name of registration and artist card fees. Girls especially should be aware when you send pictures to someone. Now, let's accept this message and open WhatsApp. This directly connects you and an automated message is generated which has all of your basic details that you have registered with our app. You can send these details and if you see a link is provided with an automated message that allows the production house to understand for which casting call you have applied as they post too many work opportunities in a day. All the posts on the app are applied the same way. Some posts can also be applied through email IDs as production house don't share numbers, just like this one. The procedure is same with an automated message, only if required you will have to attach photos and an introduction video. Let's go back. Some posts are also available with images on the feed. This gives you a better idea that you don't have to be a part of all the WhatsApp and Insta groups to apply for work. You can't be on all WhatsApp groups, thus you miss work opportunities. We have explained this further in our other videos and links for these videos will be available on our description box. You can watch and understand these videos. This way, you can apply for work opportunities and you will also be able to share the post with other people. Like this one. There is a share button. I am sharing this through WhatsApp. We will also post a detailed video about the Maya app soon. You can also watch out for that. Thank you for watching our channel and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye and see you next time.